Look at this for a beautiful hairstyle. I'm tying the hair in a knot, place a section clip in, come over, tie the opposite side in a knot, take it under and over, put a section clip in there to hold, and go back and forth like this. You know, so many hairdressers are frightened of dressing long hair. So many hairdressers will help their customer, they'll grow the hair, they'll cut the hair, they'll treat the hair, and then at that last minute, just when the service is required to dress the hair, all of a sudden you pass it over to someone else. Well, I say it's time to take the fear out of dressing long hair. Become a member today of my Patrick Cameron Access Long Hair Members Club and make sure you check out my bridal education. Look at this now. This is such a beautiful hairstyle and a lot of fun to add into your collection. And I promise you, once you learn this, it's so easy.